Hello guys, this is Cyber, and I just want to give you a quick update on the progress of my prototype game. Since the last video, there aren't many visual changes that you can see in this new update, but what I've done is I've gone back and I've changed most of the core code that I used to start with. In the last video, I mentioned that I used the third-person example from the Unreal Engine kit. Well, this time I've gone back and I've used the first-person shooter game example instead. The first-person shooter game example had more in it that I could learn from, and so I wanted to start over and use that instead. Those of you that are familiar with the shooter game example from Unreal will see some similarities since I started with that as a base. The new additions to my game derived from the shooter game example are the main menu, the title screen, and the loading screen. From the main menu, you have your typical options to select from, but the two I want to highlight are hosting a game and joining a game. Hosting a game creates an instance of the game that is broadcast across the internet for other players to join. Other players can find this game by searching the join option from the main menu. All of this is made possible through Steam integration. All of the matchmaking with creating a game and joining a game is handled through Steam servers. Once the game is loaded, you're dropped into a randomly generated world. This is no different from the previous video, except instead of third person, we've moved to a first person style. The biggest addition here is the user interface and the sound effects. These come from the shooter example and lay the base for what I want to do in the future. So going forward, I will be modifying this to fit the game rules of the game that I hope to accomplish in the end. And the other thing to note about this is the networking. The networking is much more solid now. It works well with the Steam integration. I was able to get 3 other players in with me. We were running around, shooting things, having fun, and it's just so great to be developing this. I hope to finish this game. Right now, I would say this is probably at a pre-alpha state, and I hope to have the alpha done within the year. And so just stay tuned. I'm going to keep giving you more updates as I go along. I really want to see what you think about it. I want to hear what you have to say about this game. Let me know. Leave a comment. If you like this video, give a like. And if you want to see more like this, hit that subscribe. Thank you again. This has been Cyber.
I got to ask what you did.
You see the doors?
Oh, they're working now.
They open a little faster.
Oh, nice.
Although Jay keeps lagging behind.
No.